This is Real Wealth Network's 2019 market overview for Columbus, Ohio. In recent years, Columbus has emerged as one of the nation's most technologically sophisticated cities. It is home to the Battelle Memorial Institute, the world's largest private research and development foundation, and the Ohio State University, the nation's third largest university campus. In this video, you'll learn about the top 3 factors that make Columbus one of the strongest real estate markets today: population growth, affordability, and cash flow. Before we get to that, here's a little background information. Columbus is the capital of Ohio, the county seat of Franklin County, and the largest city in the state. With a population of over 879,000, it's the 14th most populous city in the U.S. and one of the fastest growing big cities in the nation. The city of Columbus was first laid out in 1812 and officially incorporated in 1816. Before slavery was abolished in the South in 1863, Columbus was a major participator in the Underground Railroad. During the Civil War, the city was a major base for the Volunteer Union Army. By the end of the 19th century, Columbus became known as the buggy capital of the world thanks to the 24 buggy factories located in the area. In the early 20th century, Columbus became home to the first water plant in the world to apply filtration and softening. Overall, Columbus has a strong and diverse economy based on education, insurance, banking, fashion, technology, defense, and more. In 2018, Business.com rated it as one of the top 5 best cities for entrepreneurs and startups. Ohio is also ranked number 5 in the nation for headquarters of Fortune 500 companies, with Columbus home to the most in the state. These companies include Nationwide Insurance, American Electric Power, L Brands, and Big Lots. Known by locals as CBUS, Columbus is one of the nation's most livable cities according to U.S. News & World Report. Its neighborhoods are filled with art, music, theater, museums, and culture. It's also home to a bustling and energetic workforce thanks to all the Ohio State University grads. Columbus offers great opportunities for investors today. This is especially true for those who are looking for an affordable investment, strong monthly cash flow, and a good chance for equity growth. Let's take a closer look. Since 2010, more than 170,000 people have moved to the Columbus metro area. This is a 9% increase in population, which is considerably higher than the 5% national average. This is significant because the population growth creates an increased demand for housing, which drives up property values and rents. These are good signs for Columbus investment property owners. In January 2018, the median price of 3-bedroom homes in Columbus was $165,000. This is over 18% lower than the national average of $202,000. The median price of 3-bedroom homes in the neighborhoods where Real Wealth Network members invest is only $105,000. This is 48% less than the average 3-bedroom home nationwide. This shows us that real estate in Columbus is uniquely affordable, especially in the neighborhoods where Real Wealth Network members are investing. In January 2018, the median monthly rent for 3-bedroom homes in the Columbus metro area was over $1,300, which is 0.8% of the purchase price of $165,000. In the neighborhoods where Real Wealth Network members invest, the median monthly rent of real income properties is just over $1,000, which is 0.98% of the average purchase price of $105,000. This shows us that there's a strong opportunity to generate passive monthly income in Columbus at a higher price-to-rent ratio than the national average. In January 2012, the median price of 3-bedroom homes in the Columbus metro area was $121,000. In the past 6 years, January 2012 to January 2018, 3-bedroom homes in Columbus have appreciated by over 36%. During the same period, 3-bedroom homes increased by 41% nationwide. Although the median price of 3-bedroom homes in Columbus has appreciated less than the national average, it has been rising consistently every year. Over the past 6 years, the annual growth rate has been 5.3%, which is just under the national average of 5.9%. This shows us that Columbus offers an opportunity for equity growth over the long term. This is also a good indication that the Columbus real estate market is more stable than other U.S. markets. In January 2012, the median rent for 3-bedroom homes in the Columbus metro area was $1,115. Over the past 6 years, rents have risen by 18%. During the same period, rents for 3-bedroom homes nationwide rose by only 17%. This shows us that Columbus offers investors a strong rental income opportunity. Between August 2017 and 2018, Columbus created over 9,000 jobs, a growth rate of 0.83%. This is lower than the national average of 1.73% during this period. Although Columbus's job growth isn't staggering, it's still a promising sign for real estate investors because jobs attract people, and people always need a place to live. So let's do a quick recap. Number 1. Columbus's population is growing rapidly. Since 2010, Columbus's population has increased 71% faster than the national average. Number 2. Columbus is affordable. In the Columbus neighborhoods where RWN members invest, the median price of 3-bedroom homes is 48% lower than the national average. Number 3. Columbus is cash flowing. In the Columbus neighborhoods where RWN members invest, the median monthly rent of 3-bedroom homes is 0.98% of the purchase price, which is 38% higher than the national average. Number 4. Columbus home values and rents are rising. Since 2012, three-bedroom homes in Columbus have appreciated by 36% compared to 41% nationally. During the same period, rents appreciated by 18% compared to 17% nationally. Number 5. Columbus is creating jobs. In the past year, Columbus created over 9,000 jobs, a growth rate of 0.83%. Although this is lower than the 1.7% national average, it's still a promising sign for investors.